Yo guys, what's up? Here today, crypto.com. Looking at the crypto.com coin, CRO. Every time I log on, it seems to just fall off a cliff all of a sudden. Something's not displaying right, or I'm not really sure what's going on here, but they need to fix their stuff. What I wanted to do today, I want to go here to my crypto card Visa. So I want to load this up with some money. Do top up. So it says minimum 001. I don't know how much that is, but I want to do it from the Fiat wallet. I'm not even sure what the minimum is. Looks like I want to do $25 just to start out. So confirm. Okay, so I've topped up my card. Now $25 is available. Alright, cool. You can see here from my pay, I don't have any pay rewards yet. So, the other thing I wanted to, like I said before, they really need to fix their system, because every time I log on, it says they're taking a dive, and I'm not sure I believe that. Other thing I wanted to do is I wanted to stake the card, but I don't want to do it yet. I think I'm going to wait a little bit. Tell me what you think about this, guys. If you like the CRO, if you like crypto.com, got a bunch of USD coin now. I don't know what to do with. Can't stake it. I need at least 250. So, not really sure what I can do with that. Should probably turn soft staking on at least, so I can take advantage of that. Tell me what you guys think. Alright guys. Oh yeah, the Raven coin. Forgot about that down there at the bottom. Just as a DeFi play here, VeChain seems to be doing pretty good. And my Voyager account did pretty good as well. But the BitTorrent, which is not available on here, did awesome. Like 600%. Not here. Alright guys. Thanks for watching.